In this video, we're going to talk about BPM, which is a smart ticketing NFT project, which is very, very cool and looking into the future for ticketing for events. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research. Let's get into the video, guys. So here we are over on the BPM website. This is about using NFTs, or the concept of NFTs, for something actually potentially useful in that it's being used for ticketing for different worldly events. Now, if you can think of music events, sports events, there's always been a bit of a problem with plagiarized tickets. So people making fake tickets and then selling them to other people who then can't get into the venues, which causes big problems. Now, if you can create a product that's able to be completely non-copyable, then you can have a ticket for an event that's going to, one, secure that individual's place at the event, but also ensure that people aren't getting in with fake tickets. Now, BPM itself is hoping to work with some big ticket suppliers, people like Ticketmaster, etc. And that's basically going to be like a wallet that you have on your phone, the BPM wallet, and then there you can store your different tickets. And this is very cool. You can see basically what it looks like down here, and you can see it has the tickets here and then the available balance in the BPM token. And we'll look at how to get the BPM token in just a minute. Other things that are cool about using this wallet to be able to purchase different tokens is you will get points back in BPM tokens, which you can then use to buy future tickets or offset the cost of future tickets. You can sync up the events page on the BPM wallet to your Spotify playlist. Then when an artist that you're interested in is playing in an area near you, then it's going to give you an alert and you can then go and purchase tickets for that particular artist. Now, previously people used to like keeping paper tickets because it's good memory of the event or whatever you've been to, but there's going to be now memory infused NFTs created where paper tickets get turned into digital tickets, and they'll create little kind of memory videos which will be part of that NFT that you will then hold forevermore. And you can see that you'll have a single wallet for all your tickets. You can also collect the digital memories in the form of the NFTs here. And if you want to be kept up to date with all the latest events that are happening with this platform, then make sure you sign up. Down here, you just need a name and an email address. Now, if you're already interested in this project, then I understand why. And there's something else that's very cool as well. Well, with the RVLLRS NFT, which you can find under this RVLLRS section here, coming down through, you can see that there's a collection of 10,000 unique NFTs hand sketched by our legendary artist Fiasco, which unlock unparalleled utility within the BPM wallet ecosystem. So basically, by holding that NFT, you're going to get special discounts, etc. on the NFT events. Here you can see you can earn BPM rewards by locking up. As well as that, by staking tokens, you'll also be able to get rewards, and you can do that all through this BPM ICO wallet, which is again is linked down below in the description. And here you can see all the kind of like different controls for that. By holding the NFTs, not only will you be able to earn rewards, but you can also get exclusive events for the NFT holders. As well as that, there'll be raffles, secret prizes, different trips and things given away, and free drinks and merchandise offers when you are attending different events. And this will basically be kept as your like profile picture down here, and it's basically pays to hold the NFT. This is actually a very cool all-in-one concept. I really like how this basically works. You can see down below that you'll basically get your airdrops, various tickets and prizes, and basically lots of other different things. There's 337 different traits across 10,000 NFTs, and there's a sort of a road to the RVLLRS here, with the launch of the collection happening very, very soon, and then into later on where you'll be able to attend holders event, you'll be able to stake your NFT and much, much more. So in summary, the BPM wallet is basically your way of attending different events around the world through the use of NFT technology to be able to create non-fungible tickets. This will stop all of the problems in the past with fraudulent tickets, ticket touts, etc., and is a fantastic move in the right direction, in my opinion. If you buy yourself a RVLLRS NFT, which you will be able to do very, very soon, then you'll also get access to special events, huge discounts, and so much more. Everything I've talked about today can be found in the links down below in the description. If you've enjoyed today's video, guys, then hit the thumbs up button for me. If you're new to the channel as well, then make sure you hit subscribe to be kept up to date with everything happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.